Hello everyone. Roses, often called the language of the heart, are not just admired for their luxurious red hues or their velvety, delicate petals. Behind every bloom lies a world of emotions, a gentle whisper reminding us, love deeply and cherish the little things in life. Imagine fields of blooming roses, their fragrance dancing in the morning breeze, each petal kissed by the sun. From this symphony of nature, rose essential oil is carefully distilled, capturing the essence of romance in every drop. The process involves gentle steam distillation, preserving the flower's delicate aroma and therapeutic properties. Meanwhile, fresh roses, vibrant and full of life, are hand-selected and lovingly wrapped. Each bloom is placed in elegant packaging, ensuring they arrive as beautiful as the moment they were picked. Together, these processes celebrate the timeless charm and allure of roses, bringing a touch of poetry to life. Roses remind us that happiness can often be as simple as admiring their beauty, inhaling their soothing aroma, and letting their presence bring peace and calm to our hearts. The rose, often hailed as the queen of all flowers, carries a regal beauty that can captivate anyone at first sight. But what truly makes this flower special is its array of colors, each a silent language that speaks the words we sometimes can't. If you're deeply in love, the red rose is your perfect choice. Vivid, passionate, and as bold as a heartfelt declaration straight from the soul. Each rose isn't just a flower, it's a story, a message hidden within its delicate petals. When you give someone a rose, you're not only sharing its beauty, but also conveying emotions too profound for words. Take a moment to admire a garden of roses in the soft morning light, and you'll understand why this flower has become an eternal symbol of love and the connection between hearts. Behind the radiant beauty of the roses we all adore lies a meticulous process of cultivation and care. Today, most roses are grown in greenhouses to ensure they thrive in optimal conditions. These greenhouses create a perfectly controlled environment, regulating temperature, humidity, and light, while shielding the plants from pests and diseases. This method allows roses to bloom consistently throughout the year, meeting the demand for special occasions like Valentine's Day or weddings. The journey begins with carefully preparing the soil. The ground is loosened and enriched with nutrients, ready to welcome young rose plants, which are neatly planted in rows inside the greenhouse. Automated irrigation systems provide just the right amount of water and nutrients, while light is adjusted precisely to give the roses the perfect sunlight they need. Typically, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks for the plants to produce blooms. When the roses in the greenhouse reach their peak beauty, skilled farmers carefully cut them by hand. The flowers are trimmed with precision tools to preserve their vibrant colors, gentle fragrance, and long-lasting freshness. Sharp instruments ensure clean cuts, protecting the plant and encouraging it to produce new buds. After cutting, farmers delicately remove excess leaves and stems to enhance the appearance and uniformity of each bloom. The harvested roses are gathered into bundles and transported in specialized vehicles to processing facilities. Here, the flowers undergo a meticulous inspection to ensure only the best blooms make the cut. Skilled artisans arrange the roses into stunning bouquets, add decorative leaves, and wrap them carefully. Finally, the finished arrangements are distributed to stores, ready to bring joy, freshness, and meaning to every special occasion. From the greenhouse to your hands, every step in this journey reflects the love and care poured into each delicate petal. On larger farms, the roses harvested by farmers are immediately transferred to specialized conveyor belts. These soft surface belts safely transport the flowers to the processing area, minimizing damage and significantly reducing the labor required from farmers. As the flowers move along the conveyor, advanced smart sensors inspect each bloom. Any flower that doesn't meet quality standards, such as those that are damaged or lack vibrant color, is automatically removed. After inspection, the flowers proceed to the leaf stripping and stem trimming area, where modern machinery handles the task swiftly while maintaining the delicate beauty of each stem. Once pre-processed, the flowers are gathered into uniform bundles, typically containing 20 to 25 stems each. These bundles are then sent to automated wrapping machines, where the roses are neatly aligned and wrapped in protective paper or soft netting to preserve their shape. Finally, the finished bouquets are carefully placed into sturdy, well-designed boxes by farmers to ensure protection during transportation. Each box is automatically labeled with detailed information about the shipment, destination, and product origin. The process from harvesting to packaging is a seamless collaboration between modern technology and human craftsmanship. The use of machinery not only saves time, but also guarantees consistent quality for every bouquet. When you receive a beautiful bundle of roses, it's more than just a gift from nature. It's the result of a dedicated and professional journey, bringing joy and meaning to every moment in life. Now we'll talk about the outdoor roses. In nurseries, some young plants are skillfully propagated by farmers and carefully nurtured in small pots, tenderly cared for as if cradling delicate dreams of fresh greenery. Over time, through meticulous cultivation and attentive care, these seedlings grow strong and vibrant. When the moment comes for them to bloom, they are lovingly transported to flower shops, carrying their vitality and beauty to touch the hearts of flower lovers. Each potted rose is more than just a plant. It is a messenger of nature, spreading joy and inspiration into everyday life. In outdoor flower farms, roses are often harvested for their petals to produce essential oils and fragrances. Picking roses is a task that demands both skill and speed, as the flowers must be gathered early in the morning when their fragrance and essential oils are at their peak. Harvesters carefully pluck each blossom and place it gently into large baskets to avoid bruising the delicate petals. Once the baskets are filled, they are swiftly transported to nearby processing facilities to begin the extraction process. only the highest quality rose petals are selected for the distillation process, a vital step in creating rose essential oil, often referred to as liquid gold in the perfume and cosmetics industries. The distillation process begins by placing the meticulously sorted rose petals into large distillation kettles. Pure water is added to ensure the natural fragrance of the roses remains undiluted. The mixture of petals and water is then gently heated under moderate pressure. Steam, carrying tiny particles of essential oil, rises and passes through specially designed pipes that capture the full essence without compromising its purity. The steam containing the essential oil is cooled and condensed into liquid form through a cooling system. At this stage, the liquid mixture of rose water and essential oil is directed into specialized separation tanks. Due to the difference in density, the rose essential oil floats to the surface where it is carefully collected. This step requires precision, as only a small amount of concentrated oil is extracted from tons of petals. The result is a collection of fragrant and highly valuable drops of rose essential oil, which are carefully packaged into small bottles. The rose processing journey doesn't stop with essential oil. It also yields a variety of valuable products, such as rose water, creams, scented candles, soaps, and even edible goods. Roses are more than just an economic product. They are a cultural symbol and a source of inspiration in life. For farmers, every bloom represents the culmination of hard work and a deep connection to nature. Expansive rose fields not only provide a stable income, but also define the identity of rose-growing regions, serving as the focal point for cultural events and festivals that draw visitors to marvel at their beauty and magic. Roses don't just add brilliant color to life. They remind us of simple, profound values. They encourage us to pause, reflect, and find peace amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. And so, we come to the end of our journey through the radiant rose fields. We hope this story has given you a deeper appreciation for the magic and significance of this extraordinary flower. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to join us on more inspiring journeys from the world of agriculture. See you soon.